Want to start your investment journey? Let me show you how to open your Demat account with Absolute Broking, quickly, easily, and online. Step 1. PAN verification. Just enter your PAN number and hit verify. It's fast and secure. Step 2. Identity details. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and contact number. Make sure everything matches your official documents.
Step 3. Personal details. Add your current address, marital status, nominee, and other basic info.
Step 4. Bank details. Link your bank account for secure transactions. Just enter your IFSC code and account number. Step 5. Segment selection. Pick the segments you want to trade in: equity, commodity, currency. Choose one or all. Step 6. Upload documents. Upload your PAN card, Aadhaar, signature, and a quick selfie. Simple and paperless. That's it. Your application is submitted. Sit back while we verify your details and activate your account. Open your Demat account with Absolute Broking today. Smart, secure, and built for every investor. Or visit our website to get started.